Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Spot YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about binary to decimal conversion. First we will discuss about any number to decimal. There is a general formula for this. Any number is of the form a3 to the power of r cube plus a2 to the power of r square plus a1 to the power of r1 plus a0 to the power of r0, which should be converted. This is of any number system. When this should be converted into decimal, we know decimal is nothing but a number with base 10. So generally this can be represented as a3 into 10 cube plus a2, the number a2 into 10 square plus a1 into 10 to the power of 1 plus a0 into 10 to the power of 0. So this is the general formula. I think most of you have not understood this formula. So I will explain you with an example. So let 1010 be a binary number. So this is a binary number. So binary number means base 2. We have to convert this to decimal number. Decimal number is nothing but base 10. So how to convert this? So in the general formula you can see here 0 is nothing but a0, 1 is a1, 0 is a2, this number 1 is a3. So we will write it as it is. So 0 into 10 to the power of a0 is nothing but 0. So this is a0 into r0 plus a1. What is the value of a1 here? A1 value is 1. 1 into r1 value. What is the value of r1? R is nothing but the base radix here. What is r? That is 10 to the power of 1 plus again a2. This is a1 into r1 plus this is 0. That is a2 into 10 to the power of 2. That is r2 plus a3 into r3. What is a3 here? a3 is 1 into 10 to the power of 3. Is this visible? Okay. So now you have to add all this. So 0 into 10 to the power of 0 is 0 plus 1 into 10 to the power of 1 is 10 plus 0 into 10 to the power of 2 is 0 plus 1 into 10 cube is 100. So finally I am writing it here. So 1010 in decimal, 1010, sorry, in binary, the value of 1010 in binary to decimal. So the value of this value in decimal is nothing but 110. 110 is the value of this in decimal. So you can convert this one, sorry, any number, whether it is binary or octal or hexadecimal to decimal using this formula. So second problem, we'll look into second problem here. So second problem, 1001.010. This is in binary format. You have to convert it into decimal. So how to convert this? First we will separate these two numbers, before point and after point. We will take the first number, that is before point 1001. Through the formula you know that a0. What is the value of a0 here? 1 into 10 to the power of 0 plus a1 into 10 to the power of 1 plus a2 is nothing but 0 into 10 to the power of 2 plus a3 is 1 into 10 to the power of 3. So 10 to the power of 0 is 1, 1. The value is 1 plus this is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 into 100. So the value here is 101. So how to solve this? After point 0, 1, 0. After point that is 0, 1, 0. So for this what you have to do is nothing but you have to take the value and assign it to the power of -1. So here you are assigning it to the power of plus 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that, you should not start from 0 here. After a point, you should start from -1. That is 0 into 10 to the power of -1. From this side you have to take the value. From this side you have to take the value. The first value is 0 into 10 to the power of -1 plus 0 into 10 to the power of, sorry, that is not 0. That is 1 into 10 to the power of -2 plus 0 into 10 to the power of -3. The value here is 10 to the power of -2, which is equal to 1 by 100. So what is the value of 1 by 100? So 1 by 100 is nothing but 0.01. So this is the decimal value of the binary number 0.010. So now the final answer is obtained by adding these two values which we have obtained by conversion method. So 100, sorry, so 101 plus 0.01, which is nothing but equal to 100.01. So this is the final answer for this question. So once again I am writing it here, 100.01. This is the decimal value of the digit 100.010 in binary. Sorry, not 100, this is 101. Made a mistake here while writing. 101.01. So this is about binary to decimal conversion. In next video we will going to discuss about binary to octal to decimal conversion.